Everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Porsche Macan. This comes in a blue exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. And come around here to the back of the vehicle. Got our Porsche and Macan badging. Go ahead and pop open the trunk so you can see here. And it's storage space back here. And push button to close. Take a look at the rear of the vehicle next. All leather throughout. Rear seats here. Another look up at that sunroof. Do have heated seats back here in the rear as well as up front, driver and passenger side. Look up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at the driver's side next. We've got our driver door controls here. Do have memory seats, so you can easily set them exactly how you like. Press a button to go back to those previous settings. Power seat controls. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And we'll go ahead and hop inside. Mileage currently at 6,055. And we do have a turnkey ignition here. So here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing the navigation. And there's radio. Lots of other functionality here throughout. We'll go into a ton of depth here, but by all means, schedule a test drive if you like, and one of our consultants would love to work with you and show some of the features here. Below our touchscreen display, we have climate control here for both driver and passenger side. You do have heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger as well. And our Porsche shifter right here. And of course your sunroof controls as well. Now, if you're interested in seeing photos or getting additional information about this vehicle or any of the other ones on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.